Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about requirement gathering and fact finding techniques. Requirements are the foundation of any project. Technology integration or product changeover in business and knowing what specific requirements are the goals of a company or client can ensure a project's level of success. There are several ways to figure out requirements, known as requirement gathering methods, and most involve the users of the item. Software or product needing improvement. Knowing the various requirement gathering techniques can help you develop professional capabilities to use in any industry or role. Basic techniques of requirement gathering. They are interviews, brainstorming, questionnaires, literature reviews, and record reviews. First, we will talk about interviews. What is an interview? Interviews are qualitative research techniques used to collect data. Lead users and product managers are usually involved in interviews. Having a constraint also generates more urgent information sharing, like scheduling a session for only 1 hour versus 2, because people justify their viewpoints with supporting evidence in front of others. You can often gain deeper insights than one-on-one interview. Discussing each topic in a group setting also all allow you to refine and clarify the requirement, which can lead to better outcomes and understanding useful to the project. When interviewing stakeholders, you have several potential goals to accomplish. To broaden your understanding of the application, to determine who to invite to requirements modeling sessions, to identify new or existing requirements directly for your application. Advantages of interviews. High quality outcomes allows relationships to be built with stakeholders. Important information can be discovered. Opportunity to understand the context of new system. Disadvantages of interviews. Time consuming. Interview is only the opinion of the interviewee. Difficult to find representative lead users. Now we will talk about brainstorming. Brainstorming is a data collecting technique where a group of people discuss a topic and say anything comes to their minds about it. Brainstorming sessions are usually within relevant internal and external stakeholders and product managers. There are some rules in brainstorming sessions. They are: all ideas are good, not judged by the group. All ideas are owned by the group, not the individuals. All ideas immediately become a public property. Anybody is allowed to expand upon them. Advantages of brainstorming. Many ideas, simple organization, low commitment. Disadvantages of brainstorming. Too many ideas, difficult to create good atmosphere where everyone is involved, difficult to get good representation of customer base. Pointers for brainstorming. Clearly define the topic to be brainstormed. Aim to generate as many ideas as possible in 20 to 30 minutes. Don't change, criticize or evaluate any idea. Encourage each member to present as many ideas as possible. Keep going until all ideas have been presented. Now we will talk about questionnaires. What are questionnaires? Questionnaires are a set of written questions set to a large number of people. It can be either paper-based or electronic. Select participants using sample of the population. Design the questions for clarity and ease of analysis. Administer the questionnaire and take steps to get a good response rate. A questionnaire is a document containing a number of standard questions. Questionnaires are most useful when used for specific purpose rather than for more general information gathering. There are two types of questionnaires. First one, open-ended questions. Second one, close-ended questions. First, we will talk about open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are used to extract information. Not like close-ended questions, open-ended questions have detailed answers. For example, what did you learn from OOSAD session yesterday? Here we have to give a detailed answer. Next we will talk about close-ended questions. Close-ended questions are used to extract particular information. Close-ended questions have a specific answer and the answer is not detailed. For example, did you submit your assignment on time? Here we have to give a yes or no answer. Advantages of questionnaires. Lots of information and low cost. Disadvantages of questionnaires. Difficult to create good questionnaires. Some questions may be poorly worded. Now we will go to talk about literature reviews. What is a literature review? A literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a topic. The aim of literature review is to show your readers that you have read and have a good grasp of a main published work concerning a particular topic or a question in your field. This work may be in any format, including online sources. It may be a separate assignment or one of the introductory section of a report, dissertation, or a thesis. Advantages of literature review. Identification of key questions about a topic that need further research. Determination of methodologies used in past studies of the same or similar topics. Identification of the experts on a particular topic. Finally, we are going to talk about record reviews. What is a record review? Internal records available to a capacity builder might include financial documents, monthly reports, activity logs, purchase orders, etc. The advantage of using records from your organization is the ease of data collection. The data already exists and no additional effort needed to be made to collect it. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.